8 ways to make your long-distance marriage work. Since relationships are either growing or dying, this feeling of disconnect must be addressed daily, which can be quite challenging for couples separated by distance. Over the years of working with couples through the couple synergy method, I have found that those who are successful at navigating a long-distance marriage practice 8 things that ensure their success. Here are 8 ways to make your long-distance marriage work. 1. Get creative with quality time. Quality time is necessary for couples to nurture their connection. In the book The 7 Principles for Making a Marriage Work by John Gottman, it is recommended that couples spend 5 hours of quality time together without distractions. This can be extremely difficult for long-distance couples, especially if they are new to the separation. Long-distance couples need to be creative when spending quality time together, and technology can play a significant role. 2. Stimulate as many senses as possible. When we are in love, all of our senses seem to be stimulated. Just given the traditional 5 senses, our sight, sound, taste, smell, and touch senses become alive with every moment we spend with our partner. 3. Virtual intimacy. Technology has increased our ability to connect with people all over the world in an instant. It has also created new ways to express sexual desires and intimacy between lovers when they cannot be together in the same space. 4. Letter writing. Romantic movies have been made about couples separated by distance and how their love was kept alive by the letters they wrote to each other. There is just something about receiving a letter in the mail that holds much more meaning than a text or email, and this is something that couples in a long-distance marriage can replicate in their relationship. 5. Fall asleep together. The act of falling asleep together in the same bed may be something a traditional couple takes for granted. However, lacking this connection can be wearing over time for a long-distance marriage. Technology advances have created opportunities for long-distance couples to share in this intimate moment, even if snoring might be involved. Beginning and ending the day together even virtually leaves both people feeling a sense of belonging, significance, and connection. 6. Transparency. As mentioned above, one of the most difficult challenges long-distance marriages face is a feeling of disconnection from their partner daily. When partners are not aware of what their spouse is experiencing just because they are not spending as much time together as traditional couples, this can breed worry and assumptions. Transparency can be in the form of letting your partner know where you are going, who you are spending time with, what you are spending money on, or what you are communicating on social media. It is important to note that this is not about seeking permission or being controlled by your partner, but having consideration for your partner's feelings and not allowing insecurities to develop. 7. Healthy boundaries with friends. It is important for people to have a healthy social life and support system, even if they cannot be with their partner. With that said, it is important to have healthy boundaries with the people you spend time with when away from your partner. 8. Surprises. Surprising your partner is essential in any relationship, and it is just as important in any long-distance marriage. This can be tricky for couples separated by distance and can take creativity and planning to implement. Final thoughts. Every kind of marriage faces specific challenges unique to their situation, and long-distance marriages are no exception. Couples must realize that marriage takes work, and long-distance marriages face obstacles that traditional marriages do not have to face. It is important for couples separated by distance to acknowledge their limitations and adapt to new ways of connecting with each other to continue developing their relationship. In these ways, long-distance marriages can ensure a closer connection with their spouse and reach out to each other across the divide.